Hi, welcome to a short video about a vintage chess computer. Let me open the hood here like in a car. I'm just kidding, it's only a simple plastic cover. This is a Novag Chess Champion Pocket Chess from the year 1980. Here you have your standard chessboard from A to H and from 1 to 8. Here is your mission control, and up here the 4 segment LED display. On the back side is the battery compartment, which is holding 6 size AA batteries, and on the rear side you may connect a power supply. It says here 7.5 volts. Here's our pocket chess from the inside. This little friend over here is a Fairchild F8 3870. It's an 8-bit all-in-one chip clocked at 4 MHz, which holds a 3850 CPU and an integrated PSU. Here PSU doesn't stand for power supply unit, but for program storage unit. We could also say ROM for it. So this chip includes the whole chess program in 2 kilobytes of ROM. Now fellows, hold on your smartphones, even 64 bytes of random access memory is built in. Yes, I said bytes, not kilobytes. But I have to admit, our single chip has a little help from this guy, which is a static RAM chip with a massive amount of 256 bytes. So our chess champion has a total of 320 bytes. Probably not enough for a Java runtime environment. On the right side you have the driver for the 4/7 segment LEDs. The all-in-one chip is from the year 1977. The operation is straightforward. The first button row here is used to enter the moves. Here you select the level. This is find position. This is enter position. This is multi-move. This is new game. And this is clear entry, and this one is the enter. No need to explain this button. Prepare your stopwatch to measure how long it takes to boot. At 1, 3, 2, 1, done. Ready to operate. In case you missed the start, you can rewind the video. The display is not broken. It just tells you it's your turn to make the first move. You play white unless you just hit enter to switch the side, and the champ will take the lead. First you have to specify the level of the game. In level 1 the pocket chess will make a move between 2 and 10 seconds. In level 2, between 4 and 15 seconds, and it goes up to level 8, according to the manual, from 10 minutes to 3 hours. Enough time to fill up those 320 bytes. Switching to level 2 and doing my first move, for example E2 to E4, I type here E2, E4, enter, and this means he is in level 2. So he did his move from D7 to D5, D7 to D5. I will change the level here, level 1, and doing here E4 to D5. e4, d5. If you just hit enter here, he will also calculate for white. So he will do a d2, d4, hit enter again, will calculate for black, and so on. The next thing I want to show, I hit here for new game, is multi-move. With multi-move you can do a specific opening scene. For example, I want to jump to e2 to e4. Let's say here e2, e4. Now you enter the black move, for example e7 to e6. So e7, e6, and the next move e4, e5, and the black move from d7 to d5, d7, d5, hit enter, stopping the multi-move mode. I want to show here en passant, which means I can take this pawn and remove that one. So e5 to d6, e5 to d6. I can remove this and hit it from f8 to d6. Let me show you the find position. You hit find position, you see here FP, and it shows you the first white pawn, A2. If you hit the pawn key here, it's B2, C2, D2, F2, G2, H2, and that's it. E2 has gone. If you want to see the black figures, you hit here for the black keys, and the pawn is E6, A7, B7, C7, F7, G7, H7. If you want to see the bishop, bishop is this key, that's D6, and of course C8, that's the other pawn. This little chess program can also do the castling and promotion. So suppose new game. Oh yeah, you have to clear the find position mode and hit new game. And if you want to do a castling here from E1 to G1, you won't do it because there are figures between G1. So we'll put a question mark here to say it's not possible. So we have to remove this one. You go here, enter position, here clear square, and you type here G1. You have removed this one, clear square, and remove F1. So now you can do the castling. You type here E1. I mean, have to clear. You you have to exit from the enter position, E1 to G1, enter, he accepts the move. So that's a castling. Let's check it with find position. You want to see the king. The king is this key. So it's at G1. And the rook, you hit rook here. That's of course A1. Hit the rook again. And that's F1. I want to show you also the promotion. So enter position, clear square, and I want to remove this one, H2, H2, and remove this one, it's H7, clear square, H7, and I want to put H7 here to H2, so switching to the black keys. I want a pawn and a position H2, H2, hit enter, clear entry, and I will let his do his move. So we will do H2 to G1, and I lost here. So if I enter move here, you will say LLL, you lose. You can also clear the whole board. So you just hit enter position and here clear board. So with find position you will see there are no figures set on the board. That's it for the pocket chess. Thank you for watching and see you in maybe in the next video. But before I close the video I will shut down the chess champion.